Alright, you might take for you now about Edinburgh. Acro life so any na upon ya tenase I go can see mu ensem every tif for Acro life sports update so now pay no ensem ne dawson South Asia nti ya bonnet ofa ye be kwa manane na face ya ba efie ni abefa e discussions no kakra e wo ho na eni no ensem na ye hye no the return of the Spanish Premier La Liga South Asia when you say ene achina memeneda ene kwasiada no Spanish La Liga no ebe hyase Spain e mountain so esa ne say na COVID-19 in 2017 no epanyifo eden hihye gugwa mu say yen hold on of the Spanish Premier La Liga nti no Spanish La Liga no return nti ne bedi ho enkomo ana afin so no ne aba Europe ne aba hwe the major transfer updates ekoso Europe na ene no nsem bi ekoso ofie no krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko ene no opem so ode no ho otumfo say tutu akasa Ochira say Dr. Kwame Chei and in penny for dissolve the management of Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Nti beba nya bedi Sante no so enkomo e wo hono ne no e di amete so ene Nana Kwame amponsa e di ne your big guest our show no so ebrepem no me ni din ebetudwa na obeboa na discussions no etumi akoso e di amai na ne wo no say mami di kan ento enchia emfama pro sponsors TY Barbering Shop ene ru kopie mu ekropo na kuapema wo hyese na migina metwa mitin kama wo kopie mu TY Barbering Shop mpanyifo ne mate na wo ho no o metima show na ja etwa kama no look fresh o bema na wo ho no ma ese untumi look decent ene nice ite ne kopie mu ekropo na TY Barbering Shop ene ne wo so yase amere ya gukensie mu stel no bro na mami ntia papa ba kwa na se me boss your friend Nana I say Prince Opoku Edu poker and adodo na friend mami ntia na face mi ntia members of the sailors group no and pay mami ntia obi bia na mi gide so obi bia ho na face mi ami ntia mi ami na so I say mi ami na na efia nketia obuo no okwa ma anpe nana michia ho na yen hye nsem na se yen kwa manane yen ko fa nsem ni bia ekoso ewa manane emfama etiefo na enada ana Germany mpanyifo the dear people ka no ehye so ewa ho no ne no Bayern Munchen Bayern Munich etina fie echi bobo ko friend Eintracht Frankfurt ebo na kamino Frankfurt Entiment Brantier friend Ivan Perisic and afin no Robert Lewandowski omono mo bon tran mienu erema bobo ko friend Bayern Munich and afin Brantier friend Dani da Costa etie kan ba kon erema bobo ko friend Eintracht Frankfurt na tuna tintam in Bayern Munich etu edi nkunim erefa bobo ko friend Eintracht Frankfurt tuna no the final is set on the 4th of July no DFB Pokal final no baso Bayern Munich and as Bayern Munchen on bobo ko friend Bayern o for Leverkusen ana erebe shisha so e wo hono ma yerema yetiefo ne no obepie mu e Spain so the Premier La Liga no chance ne big game back to ya ne derby match South Asia bobo ko friend Sevilla and bobo ko friend Real Betis no ana erebe bobo so e wo Ramos Sanchez Pizjuana and also no yerema yetiefo hono ma enye fidi ago ne fi the Spanish Premier La Liga ne ko pie mu e won senti from a ene no bobo ko friend Liverpool head coach papa friend Jurgen Klopp and Jurgen Klopp kasa o kire mu say the English Premier League next weekend ebe chance here na papa ne den some out to just ene no nanka ne ni di Brantier friend Timo Werner achi na so no niama entimi amfa wo hono ma papa na echo say eno no embu Liverpool abem next season no o metima pe players o ma be gire mu esi akan ere ma Liverpool bobo ko na ne no Jurgen Klopp head coach ere ma Liverpool no so no ono so ere sta in some to ya ne that's what Liverpool catch no almost second goalkeeper Brantier friend Adrian and Adrian den sama to just say bobo ko do na wa Spain almost no many di na chi ya omunya David no metima sign no no be pie mu bobo ko na so e Spain na so no Brantier ne den sama to just say onye ready so be movie area fi Liverpool you never walk alone and catch and so no yadi my tip for na Manchester City for na ka say omo kasa omo chirem say omo say UEFA for the transfer ban ato omo so Europe na so no eno no engu omo be mu omo be ko so no my transfer negotiations player bi o mani di na chi no o makọ approach player no na face ma hwese on sa ebetumi aka player na yeri ma yetie for Acro Live Sports update no so na yada so Manchester City aka chi no ene your head coach papa your friend Jose Pep Guardiola kasa o kire mu say Brantier friend Leroy Sané no enya de obako pie mu Bayern Munich eni no o sisu dia say Leroy Sané o sinaka ne Manchester City no ono no Pep Guardiola den sabesi ne bo atwe mu say Leroy Sané no enya de obako pie mu Bayern Munich aka chi so a yeri ma yetiefo ne uko pie mu Arsenal aka chi a eni o head coach papa friend Mikel Arteta o den sama to just enya no kwese Arsenal eni dia Brantier friend no Santi Cazorla chi said every day no ba be assistant coach e dey ama Arsenal the guys na say no papa no e dey nsema to just say Abrante friend Santi Cazorla no on na dwen so ba ko friend no ba am na be assistant coach e wo Arsenal akachin so a yeri ma yeti for na free e Arsenal akachin copy on Bayern Munich akachin on Abrante ba ko friend Kingsley Coman on e French ni this year South say e dey akola na dey nsema to just say obey no betimi bia no to Abrante your friend Leroy Sanifo said every no on the penny no mbejire mu ensi akan enfama the Bavarian Giants Bayern Munich and so e wo hono na yem fi Germany yen ko pie mu e wo Holland Dutch abrochime mu no ene no big team e wo hono Ajax Amsterdam goalkeeper Cameroonian international friend Andre Onana ene Andre Onana den sama to just say wati South say onam no tete say ni PSG Paris Saint-Germain and Chelsea the Blues e den sama to just say omunya o ma be sign no e wo ne akora ne den sama to just say ono ne da ya so say o ba pie mu England no be jiremu esi akan ere ma Chelsea the Blues and then sama and so ebo ba na cho deal na ska APM 27 million pounds awo hor ma ne APM refi Andre Onana ana fin no Chelsea akati ayere ma etie for yera suka Chelsea won sensem na no o my interesting revelation ba ko no o matuma agree personal terms between the Blues Chelsea and afin no RB Leipzig Abrante friend Timo Werner and Chebia na next season won so she Blues just na men mane yen won wan Chebia no oba be jiremu esi akan erema Chelsea na yetu aso Chelsea mun sensem no ene no o mo ne sama to just say Abrante your friend Kai Havertz Ken Kai no next season on the man the Blue Jersey no so abejiremu area ma Chelsea the Blues and any interesting story APM ade fi Chelsea nso no akacha yerema etie for na Bayern Munich akacha biem no Robert Lewandowski striker mapa ogiremu e bont na ede mo this season and no akora na den sama to just say o che final any Bayern Munich akopiem na eye ne South say ni age say ne Bayern Munich the Bavarian Giants no o matima akopiem e the DFB Pokal final na ono so ade some to ya na eno adan otumi body 45th goal of the season ade ma Bayern Munich any no be share Europe na top scorer our Europe Abrante friend Robert Lewandowski stina kan ade ma Bayern Munich Chelsea abrochimem England and as Bayern Germany South say no Bayern and as Bayern no omo Germany no musi omo kan hono Manchester United for so na ka say and all this summer to just say Abrante friend Quarantine Tolisso stina kan Bayern Munich no David no Marco Tebrino no abepie mu Manchester United de akachin so ayerima yeti for na ska omo de ko no 35 million euros 30.7 million pounds and then Manchester United and Woodward all gonna so say and then Manchester no on the ko pie mu Bayern akachin no ko for Abrante friend Quarantine Tolisso no so no abejinemu area ma bobu friend Manchester United and no Lionel Andre Messi Coutinho and offensive Luis Alberto Suarez Diaz I'm going to just say almost over the weekend match Barcelona against Real Mallorca no Mante mi no agipene so metuma giremu esia kan area ma FC Barcelona de Borganes na yeri ma tifo na Borussia Dortmund fonto no ana ka say Chelsea Jadon Sancho no why hot yo Manchester United epeno Chelsea epeno Manchester City epeno Real Madrid epeno and then esika omo ato no 115 million pounds we go na here Abrante friend Jadon Sancho for Saska no na be piem Dortmund akachi na omo jani mu emfa mawo anene nsama yenenu Borussia Dortmund so na ekasa RF signal iduna yare ma tifo na Frank Lampard so no head coach at the Chelsea and papa no and then some to just say Abrante friend Declan Rice so sina kan at the West Ham United the defender o shane chira and no Abrante friend Eke Zuma and afins Antonio Rudiger no o ma ho den kaka e wo fom nteni o kwa for Abrante friend Declan Rice wa bejiremu no ma strengthen the defensive setup no at the Chelsea and no papa friend Frank James Lampard or head coach at the Chelsea no ono so no area tuja yeri ma yetiefo na yada so Europe no yenko pie mo bobo friend Real Madrid Los Blancos Los Merengues and omo kasa papa friend Zinedine Zidane head coach or then some atuja no o share Real Madrid stadium na in some agencies omo year renovation Real Madrid stadium untino David no and sha mo bu marketing e dey Santiago Bernabeu no makopie mo another stadium say na be the rest of the 2019-20 season I matches na eba so no o meeting akosi ewo bobo different from Santiago Bernabeu and Zidane and so edit to na oka sansem no pen Atletico Madrid from penny for and so edit to just and Real Madrid what ya yenu anu South say ye mo ye penny for and some stadium si akan na mo mbra na mo meji Wanda Metropolitano na ene mu si akan wo ho na sansem no mo kan no and papa ye friend Florentino Perez ono eye panipa ede Real Madrid dey atoja say nkoda we mani nso ade so say mumbu ade se mo panifo bebebi asi aka mo nkoda no ana mo abema o stadium ana ene papa na ra be sanse no che say enya de o makosi akan was eye bo kwa friend Atletico Madrid for stadium my friend Wanda Metropolitano ene ne nsama ye ne ma etifo ne ko play o go piem awo Italy the Italian sia ano ene no baso Napoli for na den sam atoja say Branty friend o say Caliano aye enche contract mbebe awie ntene no omo be extend the contract no for 2 years na Branty no so no SGM esi akan ere ama SS Napoli e was São Paulo agupo manso a ye de ma etifo na Branty na say head coach ere ma Atletico Madrid friend Diego Simeone no so ntama to say ene no akoda we so si na kan ere ma Atletico Madrid enche do fi Real Madrid be piem no the friend Marcos Llorente so be guy Marcos Llorente in the semi and the round of 16 of the UEFA Champions League against Liverpool no otumi bontena ne mienu ere ma Atletico Madrid mom qualify ekopiem for the next stage of the competition and then Diego Pablo Simeone ere ntama to just say Branty friend Marcos Llorente and David no and sure ba be a striker mapa ere ma bo kwa ye friend Atletico di Madrid la ye de ma tie for honoma and also enje Fede Agro e Accra Live Sports update no so na krakra mu no ma me ko piem e Barcelona akati no o my coach e papa your friend Kike Setien Sole and papa dey some to just say yes Barcelona they are ready somebody bo the Spanish Premier La Liga Santander over the weekend no e baso e Spain and also no enye Fede Agro na Ole Gunnar Solskjaer and papa na kasa on the to just say Jadon Sancho no omo sign no wa be piem e Manchester United de bobobo na ha ana brebe mo akwan na amana nsante no yare esi na me ka o se enchele beba nya be discussions and so to say any me the topic na toja the return of the Spanish Premier La Liga eba so ene ana fin so no eye era echna and Sunday ni nya matches na yere eba so ana fin so no transfer update equals for Europe no and also no the be discuss this answer no the question of the day go to the comments aba go Facebook kona call like Accra Live like page no na share na for comment na for bra ya say Branty me and say oh for me team so to say team you oh for me team the Branty me and say why are they be your striker a Branty friend Robert Lewandowski of Bayern Munich Luis Alberto Suarez Diaz and afenso no Sergio Aguero Castillo no on Branty me and say why ana oh for me team what they be your striker oko Facebook Accra Live oko like share na for comment e fa bra won e prepare mu no e be ba ne abekinkan ko comment no ere ama wa hanom ye twa ye ho abasimate ye ba e discussions no e be to so me amere e ya mana nsem ne bre no be dia ne na kwa me amponsa di ye ba sisia. Okay, you remember your phone na kwa ba biem e dey aba Accra Live so Facebook say na me kan kan na e bit ma ko Facebook na wako search Accra Live na wa like page na wa share na how dey comment abana and no nsem me no ana ye ba be share o ye dwumedi so ana pay no say na me kan kan no ye ba be share the return of the Spanish Premier La Liga Santander and no watch COVID-19 nsem no e be piem no be for to suspend league no across Europe and Spain and England and I think so other European countries no and you know oba Italy on in the next 2 weeks England and so no next week and Spain returning Germany said I that no on met me returning e won returning ye ba be share the return of the Spanish Premier La Liga and I think so no uko Europe Branty friend Timo Werner Chelsea and then I agree personal terms over the next season you know obetimi abegire mu esi akan edema Chelsea na nyo no kwa Branty friend Hakim Ziyech no also Chelsea already on sign no and then no interesting story about Chelsea for any somebody to just say Branty friend Kai Havertz ken Kai no sina kan Bayern aye o for Liverpool no e be pem no ometima sign sa Branty tie ne ye ne nsema ye ba be hwe but say na American kan no ukọ Facebook afa comments e fa koto no Branty me nsan sa o for me o team now per striker why now be Robert Lewandowski Branty friend Sergio Aguero Castillo and a friend Luis Alberto Suarez Diaz no omo miensa omo wan so team yo omo wan ana obeyi no na face no wabɛyɛ striker ɛde ama wo ɛwɔ hɔ no na ɛne no sɛ na mekan no TY Barber Shop ana maso ya sema yɛ live updates na wɔ Apple Live so ɛde bro o bipiem wɔ kopɔ na ɛyɛ wo hwehwɛ TY Barber Shop na ɛwɔ manhyia nsa ɛbɛka saa salute kama yi na ɔbɛtwa wo ti ɛwɔ hɔ mayewa no kyese omutwa omuti na ɛwɔ pɛmɛ ne adeɛ no ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ TY Barber Shop ɛwɔ hɔ no na anɔpɛ mame to entia ɛmfama me papa South Africa me papa Paul Blackman Eddie wono wɔ bɛma kam ɛyɛ registered sediment no wɔ no Paul Blackman Eddie anɔpɛ utie ɛwɔ na face mintia Sana Pamela wono wɔ UK South Africa Harrow Road ana wɔ on social live on Facebook or on mintia sa any pay enyina na and a guest on the show a very fantastic personalities out there say and in ejuma no onimuye wakwani wo ma or much experience and ono head of sports Express Online Radio a friend no e crossante and he ona ye ne ba be din komo na ahwe Europe Spain and afin no other transfer updates are ekoso ɛwɔ no tino mami di kan ɛma na kwaba South Africa na also ɛwɔ Europe ɛne ɛmu ɛnsensema ɛba no kwabia again bibia wɔ kɔde amenado ɛne no mpanyifo sɛ covid ntie ntumi ntia South Africa ntie ebe si na ha me ai kama na bi yɛ sɛ mo pombo kɔde amenado ɔba de yɛ kan wi de divine selection akobia yang guru no na kod video ja RSA no mati umara ba ya kasi guru ye be yetini 7 go ye be yetuma yes na le ba se be yetuma ya bwa ya mangana sa na ene no se na medical kan man tie me nsen quick one on that na about your discussion also Robert Lewandowski of Bayern Munich he was to actually 40 goal this season Abranteɛ friend Luis Suarez no ɛyɛ Abranteɛ friend Sergio Aguero ɔmo mi ɛsɛn sɛ wo for me team and I'm for me team we now per striker dey not to anymore quick one why now be you know oh wo hwɛ na Abranteɛ ni nsan wo hwɛ obi a edwuma by country and club a wo mo ɛbɔ wo hwɛ edwuma Luis Suarez ɛbɔ Liverpool before ansana Oko FC Barcelona or Spanish Premier League ni wa ye dwuma ye be so ana Robert Lewandowski so hwe ne dwuma wa bo this everybody so no be pie mu e wo Dortmund wa mutumi je Premier after ni Dortmund are yet to even be in the final or no na no the one call Champions League final during that days before so no call rival Bayern Munich throughout the season no 5 years now was spending nyina no waje Bundesliga no nyina wo hwe no to ne modern ba the goal scoring ability no so e was so wo hwe Jokun Aguero ono so from ATM eba oye pepe e wo ATM ana oba wo be hwe Aguero no so edi e wo Man City a ono so be boa ye oba ye no wo hwe dwuma sa bre one wo be bo Man City na on na ultimate Premier League no so enan ono so win golden boots ni bi e wo ho no ma ba wo nyina wo ye very very good prolific striker ba se wo push me say men call for a striker there Luis Suarez both Sergio Castillo and I think Luis Alberto Suarez Diaz wo no probably as no wo fa Luis Suarez never Luis Luis Suarez wo hwe Abrante bi ti say Lewandowski ono de ono ne no me in order Luis Suarez me de no beto me say Abrante ono obewe to ultimate start one so Dortmund a club like Dortmund ewo German Bundesliga ma definitely goes in adini be flow because yanhwe striker bi say yanhwe player we Batshuayi Michi Batshuayi days ewo goes ana ohye obehwe Abrante Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang owo Dortmund hwe ne ball any over Premier League na different hwe Abrante asisi a o gilidi ewo German way Jadon Sancho
net ni den e wo Man City nti a wonom na ufi Dortmund na wo Bayern Munich say they wo Bayern Munich definitely we will be akoto ni mo be she football. Okay. The life you say we be head coach. So what does it no wo she sa goals no e wo honom a me say that value sa so be a obo EPO and as La Liga. But a hanom no La Liga no wo hwe Sergio Aguero. O meki ne mark e wo ATM. Obama City also hwe Golden Boot na foreign all time we EPO no so a ono odabe nan. I stand to be corrected. Odabe 9
Alan Shearer
no Golden Boot no I think we ade mienu. Ana wo hwe goals no kra a wo hye wo ho no na. The best season was 2013-2014, I think. Yes. I was 26 goals. If you no, sir, if you no in your league, ubetumi a share those goals no ba Aguero and the Bayern Munich and can the goals there then be brave. Then Luis Suarez. The last time a player be it me share 30 plus goals EPO no was Robin van Persie. Yes. No Arsenal. No Man. Last season I already Arsenal no for the one
a quick one in that season, you know, Robin van Persie, on Suarez, na compete for the Golden Boot and the Neymar Suarez suspension. About Van Persie.
So what that's him. Anna Suarez, you striker here with me. I say even close to 29 goals for our EPO no bio. Aguero has been there since the year we the best form. So 26 goals. It is Suarez say to me I share this kind of goals 31 plus with Liverpool. Of course Spanish ongu no win masi. Onu no kwa Sabri Messi any Ronaldo no we okwa Pichichi no okwa give you say. For the first time in that 10 years reign now Messi ne anye Messi aye Ronaldo anye Messi ono okwa ji European Golden Boot okwa ji mienu. Messi and Ronaldo exist. Fantastic. I'll go for Luis Suarez on any day.
Okay, you know, Kobe Asante, and so Eddie Najin Chaba. See, a Matthew man say, you know, which you see a brand friend Luis Alberto Suarez Diaz. This one say, recently in Europe, we share the Golden Boots or Europe now, with the exception of Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo, no, on Luis Suarez and a wet me Aji, Saha European Golden Boots, and on Jane once, but Jane twice. Some will Liverpool to me, about Barcelona, so. But imagine, and in every league that Luis Suarez abono, but imagine a Golden Boot in the days I asked our Dutch Eredivisie anymore, but to me the Golden Boot obe PM Liverpool so no, but to me the Golden Boot and any no, oku Barcelona so no, but to me Golden Boot or the Spanish La Liga. It's you know on the comparison no na agent no, it's the one so I will share my life on Facebook no, but me the agent share e aba Acro Life so for Facebook na kona like Acro Life share na fa comment e fa bra be no be kan ere amawo e wo na ere no ensam no ayi bibia wo be sa kokoro bia so na ni makobisa no the return of the Spanish Premier La Liga and he is feeling for by a big game back so near derby bobo ko friend Sevilla na Sanchez Pizjuan normally bobo ko friend Real Betis game about for Spain one of the biggest derby and the biggest games that equals for Spain no that game we part into the return of the Spanish Premier La Liga no e be call no so akofa na jinche e dia found Korbia Oshe na during the COVID and I said before the COVID no now Oshe Sevilla on performance very very high in the Spanish Premier La Liga. I think they are fourth on the league table. Robert is no Niama and said that Enkoye and Farmo a couple of signings, the likes of Nabil Fekir, Christian Telmo, and the every people, yes, the Canales, every people. Yes, but then you know, Martin Rose is just a such game so that the debut game now, Yenima could have any penny. Such as Robert is a much experienced player. My boss against he on the side on a Quadrado Nunya players are almost my bobby better the light of a man didn't place my bobby that. You know, watch the La Liga return after COVID, you know, La Liga return. Watch how will be the feeling, and you know, you bought empty stadium, you bought games without spectators. What thoughts on the return of the Spanish La Liga at the same?
Oh, Spanish La Liga no yafe football. Na before America we so me find Jama Express director Ura Gideon Osei Kisei enfa India enfa man pa ko bi DJ India nkomo bibia Express esuafo nyinara ntia wo obibiara enfa asida etosumienu nso ma TY Barbering Shop wo ikropon ibiapem bra before I will do aban animu no ubisa obibia ebecho na nasa fori ohene nankasa otiegwema obecho abibia ekoso yi problem o hwese dia metwa mitina nze nana safori enje ibesi na nyomode mwete sa ibezi
Uni say bini abema
nana safori obo edwumo
yes obo edwuma papa
said they are branded Agro Life in the
yes very heavy
yeah
already come around na go
in the power is you
I
fantastic
yes
okay yeah into La Liga no eba no dey a good news at the world of football at especially most the to you say Juma ye be no the Spanish Premiership no eba so bazisia no one more the measures nso atoto akwan mu a omo hwe because ne ubia all eyes on the Bundesliga ubia say ye hwe ne amobeye na ejiri ye follow do almost 30 piece no amatisi others nso ye follow next week no EPL ne other leagues nso ekiki off ayebe chance na one more the nyoma bebiri atoto akwan mu say one more bebo sisi ano de one more bo behind closed doors ubia bo without any supporters or fans. It is one more say from June one more day no matter to match say 30% of each club supporters able to me Aba Stadium. Momo di nyoma evu akwemu ye papa say 30% from June ending ayebe July ne those supporters no able to me Aba around. It is say no dia woman and say one more the sound bites.
Yes.
That FIFA 20 sound bites.
Yes. You know they say they don't record no. On be play or stadium.
On be play or it is here no. Bomb war with our fans. But the referee need the decision be na say enya.
No place.
Sound bites.
There's one in John.
And at the other side now when we need the one so one man app be those players no other supporters no was paying one ewo. Nti wo be monitor ewo app no so. It is a when in Jemu a ubetinye mia no player bi chi na ye fa umia clap no
na ye possible
ni sa na nyama wo mo di egu akwan ma wo mo pese wo mo eye na ema players no so eye dem e feel the absence of their supporters no euphoria no ewo stadium wo nti eyi ne nyoma bibiri a Spanish La Liga mpenifo no so edi egu akwan ma na obi bisa what is are you going to make a comment right no obi bisa Ghana sadi ye
me Ghana won Ghana you bit my sort I say but any no unse niam do coffee of football mo Ghana o de ebepem ye ba hwe efi nsem kakra but na aka no you bit my Ghana ha but na aka mpanyifo of the Spanish FA no the likes of Javier Tebas no they have much experience when it comes to the football fraternity no then I think they've done a whole lot at the Spanish football. I think it's a good idea at the Spanish
football. Many Jehon say because supporters never fail. Now I know money one of the things one boy now Dortmund that billboard pictures no.
Yes.
Players will go home say
yes supporters. It's interesting.
Very nice.
Yes. Inti and the crowd when now the Spanish Premier League no.
Yes. You many aje ho say league no there e ba so na ene no match a one mo de e chance no ye the Sevilla derby. That was Seville. Ramos and Spurs one. The one mo na one mo de against no e be hihye so. As a derby bia one mo recognize as one of the finest Spanish. E can uyi the likes of Madrid, Barcelona, Espanyol, Barcelona, those who are one of the derbies are more dingy, Papa. The last meetings now, I say Sevilla for no ever head. Sevilla for no eta every new one, Papa, yeah. Okay, games are one ball, the last games are even before COVID no eba betwem no say 2019 one first round season you know Sevilla it me kwa away eko Betis wo no eko twa o meka mienu a omo team ba ko ba hwe season na nkasa be start no na Betis fo no ensheda any form because hwe do wo mo ye good signings bi ni aden so no amboa wo the likes of William Carvalho no more any Nabil Fekir no more etumi ko obo no kra yeah injuries no so hard ye papa nti ye hwe se negem no omo betumi aye bibia Sevilla nso no na wo form kakra wo form a wo tumi wo hwe wo last 5 matches na wo so wo tumi ewini emumienu a uyi Europa League no efirimu a wo mabo 4 La Liga matches no wo ewini mienu adro mienu ana Betis for no so ewini ba out of 4 La Liga their last 4 La Liga matches no and only against Real Madrid wo sa we no ye shock papa nkrofo won ye nu anu madi
no just say alright say Christian tell you no once on Barcelona this year Robert nti ja so ye the master say juma
ma kaisa gumwe pa yo nti ene no ye wish for a good game I say no na ye dey start obi atisi an ye ba be hwe code be dey twem German League aba ye nwebu se dia new man cover sisi ano ye follow nti La Liga so e ba nti ene no ye hwe se dia ben for the new man egu account so the normal e dey call.
Okay, and then Crobia and so Edia about on the return of the Spanish Premier La Liga. Then Mamiko Facebook na comments kakraba no menko kan emfama etifo na no Papado Edia about say nice one ewo hono Accra Live you are doing well ewo hono no so na Edia about na eni John Okwampa and so Edia Edia about so well done guys you are doing really well and also Edia about na Pamela Tacho and so Eddie for UK Eddie Aba. So well done guys, you are really doing a great job. And also Eddie Aba Nanayao and so Eddie Aba. So you see a brand friend Robert Lewandowski of Bayern Munich and then Nanayao there or the Aba and you know comments now bano. Eja Nanapia or no Ekasa or the need for Italy of the Chiesa and okay Chiesa. I see you do all. I'm really enjoying the program and then Nadia or also no Ede aba hono we so ede ne dia ba o say friend no trigger oreku ono so dey o say okay you guys are too much keep the fire burning ana ono so ede ne dia aba hono ma comment no edo so but prepare me beba ne abekan ni nyina ede ama me ka say hi Accra Live Sports ana yede ebro the friend na kwa me ampon said your name is guest on the show Krobia Asante ono no ye head of sports Express online radio and also hono na yenko share topics on say na mekan no the return of Spanish Premier La Liga what is the Krobia edi PC no edi abra critical analysis and also no edi am the next topic no Europe because in Chelsea at me I have personal terms with about your friend Timo Werner na 99% done Sadio no Enchibian Timo Werner Rabbi PM or Chelsea the Blues are catching and I think so Francia friend Kai Havertz Ken Kai no also Chelsea for the summer to just Enchibiano on betting us and this Brandt and now Ken Kai na Kai Havertz na this season goals are all share Edema Bayern Leverkusen or the German Bundesliga no and one thing then Chelsea so me GDS say omo to me nyasa Brandt me no a Chelsea next season because the light of Brandt Hakim Ziyech no we are on the 1st of July no Brandt be PM or Chelsea no so no Begin Messiaka and any other transfer rumors and so also a branch of friend Lautaro Martinez, Usinagama, Inter Milan, Barcelona for and in some of the Brantano, a year there on Bitma sign no so Abipion, Jadon Sancho, and some transfer home and some air coso, Manchester United and Dortmund, aiding Kitao, Nina and someone air coso, a branch of friend Thomas Depate, Koboduma Sidisha, on a Ghana, any Arsenal the Gunners, and so no Thomas Depate. A chile so price so said and crana on best any Brandt no be pimo Arsenal and any transfer updates at Echo. It's my Mr. Krobia saying no Marty me and say another place I'm about boss you know Osha transfer banner Abebwa from where to where player no a fitting we are quoting Osha Abebwa no my ni thoughts on the transfer updates and I think the question I maybe say no Marty me and saying Robert Lewandowski Sergio Kun Aguero Castillo of Manchester City and abrante friend Luis Alberto Suarez Diaz abrante me saying oh yeah for me team now person dey back to anyone as a striker me saying why not obey you know for agent if bra call Facebook like Acro Life what I say Acro Life ko like page no share na fa comment if bra e be pem e be kan edit amount e wo Korea ene no transfer na ekoso o thought for na bra fi ni be share the things sima
transfer no koso unse enye code video nkasa bi no ye wie league no ma koso gidigidi ba SSC accord be no so ne adinti ama club so elusi kane ade most especially because o share uko Barcelona say ya o ma e pay cards di kan
yes
one more sign mpanyinfo no exist one more person ya another pay cards I will try happy papa banti binu mu che say nti sa pay card ye send a pay card go na che say ye benye sika mbo e dey ato player ni but make me assure Barcelona for say player dey omo beto bi pa say wo mo benya player obetumi abo awo mo say na wo hwe abida ba yi ne signings bi ni ade problem wo ho because sisi anu wo hwe Barcelona forward wona wo Lionel André Messi wo Antoine Griezmann wo Ansu Fati Dembele no ni ade wo ntu ko to say wo nhwe mu between Lautaro Martinez and sisi a Neymar de ono abe we pa wo hwe me hwe Barcelona for Mundo Deportivo for sete we be na fans na to aba ba be na exodus for Neymar and me who say no ebe boa wo than Lautaro Martinez this year because Lautaro no e first season na wa akwa to say Sancho DB binu mu hwe ni you number 1 season count sana Lautaro din akwa ye
am call am about o share about Lautaro Martinez na is to say on the Barcelona the Inter omo person omo signing no e say about Luis Suarez no modern born after this season and said that enkoye me nka so wasan but o say amode na iden aba form
yeah
they no omo per replacement but me Barcelona rather than going in for about Neymar and Silva because Usher wings are going side now Neymar Barcelona the likes of Abante friend of Ousmane Dembele Ansu Fati and Antoine Griezmann cannot be PMO Barcelona ye bono on the wings hono who other players that Trancao mo any players of Barcelona sign
Luis Enrique
yes
Kike Setien kana na say Coutinho no we be any say mama Coutinho say ono say be funny say because Coutinho is here to play under Kike Setien
yes
it be the other managers no star no so na am farmer no no but Lautaro Martinez no because this year no Inter no one we bro say one director no be kasa say one dey bonnet for but wa obetumi abeti ne pepepe one wuni asem obetu an pepepe na wo de kwa then ubenya a better replacement say Lautaro no the moment I order ne buy clause sika no be ko ne de along but yen hwe one thing Barcelona 2-3 seasons ni yen hwe the signings for pen eto paper so na hwe players sign the amount of money akosa players no na hwe impact those players no so e dia we particular Barcelona club we hwe Usmanu said yes ma Barcelona na even Diana me here Dortmund no I am our is here to prove it player Phil Coutinho by now because the na you say no Phil Coutinho dia name here no crowd oba former war because most of times near can ibio ye dimo ibio ye say otu ko La Liga ni there or the anka we went to me and fa ene was it Newcastle and then to come oh so that but me I am the cemetery say Kike say on no which is ka o monitor na Coutinho efe nature ya Coutinho abepiem ho Newcastle there enye ni say nti me prefer say Neymar at least Lautaro Martinez you can say striker but Lautaro Martinez, even having Neymar and Lautaro, our Barca set up, Lautaro beat me actually more goals than Neymar.
And Sonia Okan having both players at Barcelona. Do you think that Barcelona was Sikana on the pitch say players because yeah, within Barcelona, I know what's going on. They are really in financial crisis. I don't think that Barcelona needs to purchase players Lautaro Martinez and Neymar at the same time because now I was reading some article BHS. Barcelona America over 100 million euros. I want to say good here. And Neymar because is about 200 million. Now Inter Milan Eka over 100 million. So this player, these two players, I don't think that FC Barcelona will go in for these two players spending euros or some players. So I don't think that Barcelona, your perspective, do you think that Barcelona better afford it? So two players,
two players at a time or in a season, say this yes, like Neymar over 100 million because Barcelona also big guns in the war across Europe. Barcelona any the only club. Oh yeah, take that. So we decided take that. Never say who say players in Libya was inside previous no. I'm wow. And as you can also add then akumu. It is an one and say one more full continue one and say what in Panama Lumbio. Usman Dembele so one man just say Ubeko Nelson Semedo but not the means fans no any woman yard say Ubeton Nelson Semedo but no so I can wish Arturo Erasmus Vidal and also I can to those players in Libya because players in the say because Barcelona is here because it say players here I see here now a begging it say because na yenya out and out. About Neymar that's over. Oh yeah, because obetumi amao say free kicks 10 obetu a season now. 5 goals out of 10 we are secured. The rings forward what the neighbor be and the goal scoring and I make sure say goals are even Neymar at the Bernabeu playing at the left or right will not even be as said Lautaro Martinez at the Bernabeu or center forward. And what I make a job Neymar goes for the Bernabeu because Barcelona share player like Suarez and I make a job say Suarez are very good. I don't know Messi no any Ronaldo I don't know who tell you pa what team now you almost say when about be Arrowhead na had this all be goals more than them. But rather no one musu na ebo the other side who na wo feed you ball but had this all be more than them. So what I say how we know and even how Suarez and Kakra. Who to me compare Suarez goals are wash to Messi. Even do so what I say. Enti no obi ti say Neymar ebe kan player bi ti say Messi one. Me ga cho Neymar ebe shegos ebe ye bibia fefe e de ama. Suarez ebe ti me abo sa season we ye bi. Even the following season and yet injury no or so long so injury dey part of it obeko sanity but yet we all kana wan kokra obi enim nti no dey Suarez ebetumi ama a season there then a season no dey I say them unkoto player bi a ono no out and out obetumi aboa koto player o out and out obetumi aboa and who we need that so say free kick say e corner who we need that say that player we going to it there 50%, 70%, 80% guaranteed say them obetumi a share e wo.
Okay. Quick one. If Barcelona transfer Neymar Chelsea wa obubuku. And you know what to me argue personal terms. I almost like I'm computer and then about your friend Timo Werner no over the PM or Chelsea.
Oh, we share Chelsea man na me share those days say football as sound be here even as sound because now we see our Frank Lampard game no about who say a free flowing attacking and yet those times now you bought rigid players you go over quite attackers no near the one mobile Chelsea or one strikers at Chelsea at top from Crispo, Torres, no Morata, no money I don't know quite when one mobile Chelsea. But it came to a time in Anelka. We say that one bullying style. Never those times sound yet me ball Nickelobi. Na ya bo Michael Essien. Na ya bo Balak. Lampard no Echiwo Cavani, John Terry, Ivanovic. To go change that register style of play no say you will be. Then anybody be able to say no Abrante here friend no Timo Ben wo hwe Torres no ni we no ma embo am just time no game na wo mo no. Na rigid play. Game ni ba bem some of no Spanish ni Germans no o pe game no ye fa ball ni to wo ye ball sa so why say ba sa time ni wonti na bibia chinchini ba we fo na ni go because hwe Chelsea and why bibia ye ball ka wo mo sa ye ball ka wo mo nti ye hwe nim because ye hwe nim say Abrante sisi am game no asesa ni ade no na ye hwe say Timo Werner no oba ye nso ye nhwe but sisi am is too early say betumi aka say o oba ontumi ombra and when to Torre Morata be ya ana or repe ya sisi am ontumi emba Chelsea piu so what as nti oba sisi am is too early say ye be transfer
Dennis Opera see me bisa o what about say Chelsea move with strikers amba
na Shevchenko Torres Morata no be all mu
na sure you know Olivier Giroud
Olivier Giroud dey ne no ara bone dey no anu no how many goals na no Olivier Giroud dey na ne nanso o share Edmas na
but we are talking about one shey go no ma for na don't you think say waste of money na
here waste of money because nipa no do obai no ono so why anything mu dey and obai as backup so I say only obai as backup to Morata and if you obai na Enekra Lampard buy no or San Didi Abrante Tammy Abraham na one master man 1 year say owo baby pa wo GDB say make ko ha me ka ko prove na me wo baby baby ya and go beko and even this 1 year extension I was and man no there's no way obai accept it so GDB say no won bia no or you okay because onu ani uniform ne no won so no ne hono dey
okay nti mo we see
Tigers dey wasting most
and then someone to question now desire what you to was Chelsea dey indeed or Chelsea supporter but almost with strikers the likes of Abrante Olivier Giroud wo Michy Batshuayi Alvaro Morata no more any other Shevchenko Crispo we na be fa won ko nti no and you come here then is what God so much Young Manchester their purchase for Abrante friend of Jadon Sancho and in Manchester United Uji is only over 150 million pounds no one for Abrante friend of Jadon Sancho no one find him pull back about Manchester United now
United as we know financially they bet me but see no as to say obetumi aba na what is expected from him no obetumi abe prove pepe and no ne doubt as see no yen kofa no ana yen kofa ba per the Sancho aye last season eba nyina dey or very good we show say yeah obetumi abo and I just say who bought German league no Dortmund because you many players be our mark of Dortmund ya dia who do one Cologne ho ya dia one be gwa ma sanet no but Abrante be wo Man City no ne Sancho na Phil Foden
yes
Foden bo a obo enye ne Sancho Foden bo a obo enye ne Sancho the technical ability passes enye ne dia Sancho eye wo team like City ano usan yi another 11 ebe hardly so between make that even second 11 and am no eti akaka obemu so a o showcase ne talents e wo ho nti no Dortmund no ne ade ne sometimes so the judge players be bra have him but we show say they go and find here and obetumi abo but team Man United no and ye hwe so ba sen coach no o use ni sen team no ankasa no preparation net then I betumi aboya abrante no because obetumi akofa best player but team ni nyina no enko yi a ye hu the best out of the best player. So what that is? Yaban say Debia San Wakoto Sancho aba. Ma bo be say 10 games. All my sister, see one my assist 10. And the man the whole season ma 10 assists. Nti yam ko fa ne bra yam bra ye lucky assistants ni ade. Nti yam go scoring rate e wo film. Now we dey beba now strike order eni. So man 10 no she 2 a. No wait magati Sancho who bought Dortmund ma who bought 5 games who ma 10 assists who ba Man U about 10 matches one ma 2 assists e wono wo Sancho ni ye ba ko abazo say ye ba be bufo say wo ba no ejuma na wo ye wo no tumi me ye wa ha because a season wo tumi ma 4 let's say 20 assists na wo ba ha na a season wo tumi ma 5 assists wona one also say one guy winning one different from one sir.
But do you think the Manchester United in here, Jadon Sancho?
As of now, United in here player like Jadon Sancho.
Okay. You know, said Crowley, I can say Manchester United. Money I just said, "What talk Jadon Sancho about?" I say, "Oh no, to him no, because more the likes of Anthony Martial, Marcus Rashford, DJ Daniel James,
Speedy,
yes, Daniel James,
Daniel James, Bruno Fernandes,
yes.
See, Bruno Fernandes is between me upon him. Pogba and Fred between me 4-2-3-1 formation.
Okay.
2 no, they would be Fred and Pogba. Fernandes be about 10. Rashford and Martial be about left and right wings. Then who Abrante Odion Igalo. Afcon top scorer. This year no form.
Yes.
Oba so 8 matches. Chinese man. About 10 or something matches. I watch more than 5.
The Chinese man.
Which is an announcement. So what I say. Who Abrante it is was small boy. When maybe share the game or very good. Greenwood.
Mason Greenwood.
It's Japan say. See, I know experience. Odion Igalo one. They are very higher.
Okay.
Mason Greenwood between 8 and 9.
Okay. Like 30 seconds. Which are a good name.
Thomas de Batipade, Meme Bra Padia, never from Miss Bra, Dabi. Now, Debbie, then Ban or EPO, and EPO now, but I answer about Liverpool, answer about United, answer about Chelsea, answer about Man City, or Arsenal. Now, Ufi Spain, Real Madrid.
Different player in the Atletico Madrid, yes, I'm since 2012. I'm on La Liga and Arsenal. Omuji Biache.
But you see, Tima Bora Yaposisia will Eke who Arsenal that one ATM now.
Oh, 7-year player.
Oh, 1-year player. Who said, Patina Bay, say, all you're going to make us in favor of him, said, the other one on a Mekajo. See about the Obasna. Me won't defend you number 1, see ATM. Definitely, Robinson qualified for any trophy. Say ATM one Unya trophy. Team now being was now. Make to say Pate by Liverpool. Perfect. Pate by Man City.
But Liverpool now, Liverpool over 30 years, I'm going to league. I feel I say, Niama Elko Yaka, the English Premier League. And nothing America says, Siano. Make to say, Liverpool. I think, say, but they move on. He's looking at match playing time. Because over Liverpool, the likes of Navigator more international. Jordan Henderson, on your captain now. And so, but Uber Arsenal is here. And Arsenal folk of Danny Savaya as well. And your man said that I'm here and Kui and Famo Genduzi, Matthew Genduzi. I want 1 year a little bit good. I think say, but to me, you know, me playing time or being out Arsenal compared to Liverpool and Paris Saint-Germain. Paris Saint-Germain or being diabo, but going to France, you know, yeah, very although we watch the French saying, the French league are, but then you can't so much attention over the English Premier League more than the French league and so I think say coming into Arsenal, well, I know where decided to say about Arsenal, but to me, I think say well, England to be specific, will be a good move. Thomas
Partey, I may agree. There a hype, and open, dear, a hype. Any name say yeah, Partey. Then India better than a better across board say yeah, Partey India, and no open then England they over football Leicester, over Norwich, Ghana, UPR. Hey, and no open they are nice, but as I was a match playing time, ATM 1 ball. ATM 1 ball. Day in day out, the Champions League, Liverpool home and away. The match I will be due Anfield. Now, bad, let's see how bad it was.
My fancy was the era story.
Yeah,
so that's it.
Yeah, match time.
Yes. Now, and you know, me mouse, my back, young brave, Fini, and Sheffield said, Korea come as Santa Corpo. And he only say, I'm open so, 248
Akasa.
Yes, and in another in summer to be as the management of Korea come as Santa Corpo. Bunu dissolve South Africa and in Georgia one chairman we good board no we good management no it's any board on and set up a new management so that in some board no ano hye and in nana ya onkonsa and can no ko standing for the Ghana Football Association president wenya Ghana Football Association no so enya na nipa mi no mo din abeto ebema so ayi ko company for board na headed by Dr. Kwamiti, say, and you meet my phone mobile on a board chairman, and I say your friends, the management committee chairman, and then Makoroko. But Nipeni be to say, as I say, Georgia Macon one far the Boo Amano, such as it. My name is probably in 1 minute, or I could go into Mapa, into my Corbian, so that maybe some, and then you call, and then I call for Kotoko.
Oh, Kotoko. In some of the doors, some of the doors.
Is a crisis and as a rebranding?
We're rebranding because any crisis, what kind of crisis, my Ghana football now was here. Who's there? Who to me, I say, Kotoko 10 years now, Ghana League Award any other clubs. Now say Kotoko NGB, and not just a club will be NGB, and not just a young ball club will be a into Kotoko. Crisis is there, Kotoko crisis is there.
Rebranded.
Sir, any nobody are enquy. Even see what set up business, crying there. Sometimes to me a renovation to me, guys, no. So no may say, yes, she will have cry, you may show her instead.
Also, be there soon see why I'm a show.
And I'm very sure that's structure. No money being going. No money being going. No man go you walk because it's now. Opem so angasa ashima no say no and as I say we former president edina no atutu nsemu a no say ni nyina kan no me opem so ahihye ni o man da former president J4 say na say ono so de na no atu kotoko say papa enye ze wo hwe niama kotoko etimi sinsan players basa
ade no 1 year band ere makotoko ebeboa opem so say ma sinsan player for 1 year ebeboa.
1 year band now, or the amount on those on join FIFA. One job will be a or no, and I'm on him or the near share, but team players around. No, say to me, I'm 1 year grass, still players in grass, so will be so. So, but on no name, Shano from because Kotoko makes me as a Kotoko or many. But the football idea no will I keep it.
Oh, okay. My fancy, we know say a running story. Your trust be one that's an you be sure, sir, and you ever win in a crop your commercial Santa Corpenino or 2482 Abbeville and in an Acasa. And I said 1 year, Kotoko Memo top player. The new way of Kotoko supporter, Bravo from Soccer, Kotoko 4, yes, my top player for 1 year. I remember when Barcelona crowned your mom 6 months. Some to play by some at home. How much more for next week? Yet, Nasia, you make pencils, and you will be but said I come near the shit if he's El and they had to folk to some way rebranded. And you know, more creating new websites are Oklahoma when you have information. Yes, and my member has the penny for about lights of a brandy, a friend of a Hesse, what's my son, your man of physical to go. Frederick, another friend is Frederick Moore. Yes, Frederick Moore. I'm more about so much creating website and I'm a crowd to full. And you know, and I know what messages you know, a brain into no, I'm trying to make to me I can kind Nina and farm, but me some boss said that's a no, it's not a making kind of messages no, and you know, at the amamo. Now, my fancy, not yambo, yenda crobia, asante about yambo about so saying, yet on Safreno, which me ever boy Jimedina, the premier, and I said, the discussion no, at the Ebreo, our Acro Life Sports update, and also, or the head of sports, our Express, online radio, our one many stories. Man, I say, we young person, I was swap, I say, taking yet here, can say, boo, say, we be a good when you our Express Media College, who call my with me at Tia, but you won't teach a former part, with me a bois, a massage mediano, let me a cosso, Eddie, amount, I want to need Dawani, a chair, Express Media College, a compentity, I want to announce, the Bidabino, with me, Eddie, a boy, bra. Now, for instance, member, VY Barber Saloon, about so. And you know, who ran man, just a manty and Bujuma, Saturday. My bow so good, I must say, at the actual normal work, I'm into the saloon. Now, massage near the Indian, I'll bet you, at the amount, I just said, a condition, so on bet low. Now, do I open cook near the other best serve you, Nina, I was you, I barber shopper, and you know, a coconut yapem. Opposite, a adjacent, if good master palace, yes, opposite good palace. And I feel so Nana, I don't in palace, and only adjacent to that, and then we do a TY barber shopper. On meeting myself, we should meet here, and I'm shaping the camera, who do a star be up, and on meeting me, I had a mouth. Now I'm friends to meet here, I hear Francis Serupuku, yes, Francis Serupuku Poka. I meet here, and I pay them the members of the sailors group, sailors and Martin and Mama Ninano, and I pay me here, Madam said, Munya bread, and sharing what the Acro Life Sports update and so. Now, the cracker will say, I'm a mintia, me, papa, yes. Poor black man Eddie, who share life from Bemakam. On your W, poor black man Eddie. My mintia, and a mintia, mammy, Margaret, Adubia Ekufu. Also, no mintia or now face on the cracker. Nana, if you can tell you, Papima, and I pay mintia, I hope it was also now, or Darmanana, gets your deep, and I pay my mintia, Munina, and fast at Cassia, and you made the young chairman within. And then Nana Kwame and Ponsa Eddie. I'm in that production team now say, I'm in Safari and I feel so the rest of the production team, Maminda, will be as the guest on the show, Miss Menana Crobia Santos, Menana say, Yeribesi, that's the name of the essential,